just a matter of feet from where I normally film, there's this thing. I don't know what it is, an upended tree, a landmass, and the only way I'm going to find out exactly what it is or find out more about it is if I follow my curiosity. One of the reasons people come to hate work is boredom. You'll hear this phrase, I feel like I'm just stuck in a rut. And the cure for that is to be curious and to follow that curiosity. Curiosity is a great and often neglected resource, and there are reasons people don't follow their curiosity. For instance, I'm filming this segment on a bench where I have filmed before. It's comfortable. I know where the light comes from, where I can put my tripod, and a little bit about the sound that occurs in the area. Comfort is a great thing. If I don't relinquish some of that comfort, I will never find what else is out there. Just like being comfortable might be at odds with following your curiosity, so is the use of time. I mean, who has time? We all have very busy lives. But let's turn that thought around. What if we invest time to learn new things, to explore, to follow our curiosity? Fear can also get in the way of following our curiosity. I mean, the closer I get to this object I'm curious about, I realize it's very dark, there's spider webs all over it. It would be very easy to just walk away. But then my curiosity would never be satisfied. Another potential enemy of curiosity is assumptions. I mean, look at that. It's just dark in there. I can't possibly film in there. At least that's what I would tell myself. But I would never know for sure unless I explore my curiosity. I followed my curiosity and walked around that object that from one side looks so foreboding, but on the other side it is truly a work of art created by nature. If I had been too comfortable, if I had been too fearful, if I had made assumptions and not followed my curiosity, I would have never found this place. Too often we think of following our curiosity as an act of whimsy. We should think of it as something that we do more consistently. Think of all the artists, scientists, mathematicians, inventors who were not only curious, but followed their curiosity and enriched the lives that we live today. If you feel stuck in a rut, if you want something different, if you're just plain bored, follow your curiosity. If you like this, hit that like button, please share and subscribe. I offer individual coaching and group consulting on career growth, professional development, workforce performance improvement, strategy development and implementation. If you're interested, my email is in the description below. Thank you.